Hello everyone, my name is Julia, and today I want to show you a detailed tutorial on how to express milk into a bottle. This process may seem complicated or tiring, but with the right technique and approach, it can become a convenient part of your daily baby care routine. I carefully place the breast pump. If it's a manual one, I start by gently squeezing the handle in smooth motions, creating soft, comfortable pressure. I can feel the milk beginning to flow into the bottle. This process takes a little time and patience, but with each movement, it becomes easier. I follow my sensations and adjust the position if needed to make it as comfortable as possible. Once the bottle is filled, I carefully remove the pump and check the amount of expressed milk. If I need more, I repeat the process on the other breast or take a short break to let my body rest. I then transfer the milk into a sterile container if necessary, or immediately seal the bottle with a lid. Now it's ready for storage or feeding. Thank you for being here with me. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your tips in the comments. See you soon.